That really great guy that called in, he was, we were talking about proof. You see what I'm saying? Like, they have mind control because they programmed us since birth. So they're like, stick that they needle us, like watch this acupuncture. Ugh, it's like send in some agents and make her say some creepy, scary things
Yeah.
and see if you can get her back over here. It's actually that's what I'm saying. It's so strange that that's like almost everyone experiences that. That's weird. Hey, Hive, watching me tonight. I know the millions, the throng. Come on, this game's no fun anymore. Really,
Yeah.
get it together. We win so easy now. Anyway, it's annoying to hear that, but that's the way they give compliments, which is they're bad at it. Let's just say, and they're at least bad at it. They're horrible, terrible, but that's the way they compliment. Hey, oh man, she's leaving.
Yeah.
Pick up your tab. No,